Opie dopey, me. Waiting to get on that ride.
Yeah.
Whipper.
It's gonna be pretty awesome.
Look at that dude over there.
Yeah. We're pretty excited.
Look at those swings.
There's a little roller coaster over there. It's purple.
Yeah, I know. All the time, like, sorry talking to me.
Alright, well, we're about ready to get on this ride.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I cannot wait.
I'm so excited. So we're just going to continue the video while we are on.
Yeah.
Hoping Mel does not drop my phone.
Oh.
It's gonna matter.
Yeah. Wait.
Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.
Just holding it.
So excited.
I know, me too. All these crazy people.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, she's. Oh, whatever.
Yeah.
Oh.
Comes down automatically, I guess.
I'm excited.
No.
So excited.
Yeah, I know.
What'd you say, Hope? I know what you said.
Oh, YouTube.
Oh, swings.
So we took like 3 videos today, and they're all going on YouTube. All of them.
We've ridden only 3 roller coasters because the other ones are like, one's broken and they're building 2 more, so.
Ugh, makes me
Oh, look at
mad.
those people on the escalator things. It's going? When can these things go down?
Welcome to the galley. We ask that you remain seated, keeping your arms and legs inside the ship at all times.
How are you gonna get your legs out?
Automatically enjoy your ride.
Oh,
Automatically.
so excited. Okay, here we go.
You know,
Getting
I love
ready
you,
to go.
Hope.
I love you too.
I'm so excited.
There's a lot of things we couldn't take videos on.
Man too big.
What'd you say?
Man too big.
Oh, now we're going. Yeah.
Alright.
We're gonna lift up a little bit. Just a little bit. Nothing major. Rachel could go on this, but I don't want to.
No, she's a brat.
Yeah. She's mean.
It's awesome.
Me and Mel was going on a roller coaster, and she started complaining.
Ruined it, so I had to sit and wait.
Yeah.
Stupid.
And I had to ride with her, and she
I
was
love
all, yeah, and everything. Yeah, it was called the Twister. I get butterflies on this ride.
I love this ride. It's awesome. I'm just kidding. Look at that little girl. Woo! Scream, Hope. Scream.
Yeah!
Woo! Oh, this one sucks. It doesn't even go up high. Because the other one I was all like, woo!
Oh, here we go. Okay, we're going now.
Woo! I want to lift up like I do with the other one.
Yeah, I know.
It sucks.
That's what I do with mine.
Woo!
That was, yeah!
People wait.
Woo!
The little bitch is screaming.
Yeah!
I love it. I went up.
It's about nighttime.
So far, it's like 4.5 minutes.
Yeah. We'll stop it after this ride.
Yeah. We're going on the salt and pepper shaker next.
We can't bring my
Excited.
phone into that.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. All right, bye. Say bye.
Bye.